I'm Jasmine with WTI. We're in my living room. I wanted to show you the ceiling fan that we just hung. This is the fan from Nocolliny and it is so beautiful. I love the brass accent piece around the light and the black looks so modern, so chic. It's so beautiful. Installation was a breeze, at least it was for my husband because he's a pro, but it took about 30 minutes from start to finish, so not that bad, and it looks amazing. It comes with a remote control that you do have to provide your own battery for, but it's really easy to use. You can not only turn on and off the fan or the light, but you can also change the speed at which the fan blows, and you can also dim the light, which is really nice depending on the time of day that you're using the fan. So if you're in the market for a beautiful, sleek looking ceiling fan, I highly recommend this one from Nocolliny. It hits all the points that you want in a ceiling fan, and that's my point of view.